What's going on? This is SDG Labs. My name is Anastasio Dalde. Let's do some math! Your car gets an average 30.1 miles per gallon of gas. So, is that a linear function? Your car getting an average of 30.1 miles of gallon per gas. Let's graph maybe gallons versus miles. Does that make sense? What I mean by that is, let's make a table. We have a table. Here's gallons. Here's miles. So 0 gallons. If you have 0 gallons, how far are you going?
0 miles.
Ain't going nowhere. If you have 1 gallon of gas, you get an average of 30.1 miles per gallon. How many miles are you going to go? 30.1. There we go. If you have 2 gallons, if I give you 2 gallons of gas, how many miles can you go?
60.2.
60.2. You increased this, you increased from here to here by a constant of 30.1. You increased from here to here by that same constant of 30.1. By the way, Leanne, can you still see me? Because my screen is black over there, which doesn't tell me. I don't know if you can see me. Can you see me?
I can see you.
All right, then you guys can see me. All right, let's go with 3 over here. What's 3?
90.3.
90.3.
It's a good radio station.
Is it really?
I think so.
4. What's 4?
Yeah, it's KTUH.
If I give you 4 gallons of gas. All right, here's the next one. 4.
120.4.
There we go. 120.4. And 5. Let's do one of the twins. Ooh, she threw you under the bus.
You both are dirty. You give her the wrong answer and you make her answer.
150.5.
There we go. All right, here we go.
Wait, this looks like that one that you said wasn't a linear function because it doubled.
No.
It went
With
5,
the-
10, 20, 40, 60.
With the other one, you took the number above and you multiplied by the number 2.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
With this
Yeah,
one, you
you're
took the
just
number
adding.
above and you're adding by 30.1 each
Okay.
time. Right? I think the other one had like something like 5, 10, 20,
Yeah.
40, 80, right?
60, 80.
I'm not adding by a constant number to get to the next one.
Okay.
I'm multiplying. Ergo, not a linear function. I'm adding by a constant 30.1 every time. Linear function. How many gallons of gas must your car hold if you'd like to drive 400 miles to fill up?
You need a calculator.
Now I'm asking specifically you because you threw everyone else under the bus. And actually, this is a pretty good car, so you're not talking about a bus. But why don't we do girls versus guys? Go. How many gallons of gas must I give you if you want to travel 400 miles? Girls versus guys. Ooh, everyone whipped out a calculator.
400 gallons again?
400 gallons of gas. No, 400 miles.
Oh.
You give me 400 gallons of gas, I'm going far, dude. It's like 1,200 miles. Was that like halfway across the United States? I can almost drive to California.
Oh, oh,
13?
oh. Oh.
What?
13?
13.
I was gonna say 12.
All right. You did that without your head?
I didn't use my calculator.
You did that with the calculator? All right. So I'd say it's a tie because I'll be honest with you, I have no idea what the answer is. What is the answer? What is 400 miles divided by 30.1?
13.2.
All right, very good. You got it in your head, all the kind of estimate.
Kind
You got it.
You said estimate, so I wasn't like trying to get it.
All right, that's fine. That's fine. All right, it's 13.2. All right, so 13.2 equals 400 miles, which is pretty good. I mean, my car, my minivan can hold about 17 gallons.
Yeah.
I don't think I get 20 or 30.1 miles to the gallon. I think I get about upper 20s actually. The minivans are doing actually quite well, but
My mom's trying to get
anyway, if you get 17, that's kind of far. 400 miles. I think that my minivan can push up to, on a full tank of gas. I can push the upwards of like 300 miles on the thing. Which is
The
pretty
new
good.
BMW gets 43 miles per gallon.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I don't got money from BMW.
I think you save money in the long run, probably though. 43
Yeah.
miles per gallon.
It's funny because like you calculate out.
Buying
If
a
you,
car.
if I, you know, like you calculate out, I've always wanted an electric car, but if I buy an electric car now, like the amount of money that I would be spending over, I would have to drive that car for like, I don't know, calculate it out to be something ridiculous like, okay, so you never pay gas again. Yeah, but you pay a lot more in electricity. And so if you really calculate it out, you'd have to drive that car for something like 43 years. And now you've actually made it so that you're even to buying a regular car. You're like, I ain't doing that. I mean, not to say that I want to throw my car away after 43 years. It's just, how many of you ride in a 43-year-old car? They just break down after a while, right? All right, anyway, let's do this one.
German cars need.
By the way, we're on the next page. We finished one chapter.
Cool.
Do you guys need a break, or is your brain all right? Can we just move on? Am I interesting? Am I entertaining enough for you guys to be happy?
Like the most entertaining teacher.
Let's stop. Shoots, bro. Up out.